I am the first one out today. I will present PureBallast 3.0.
The creation of PureBallast is the result of combining our extensive marine experience with our core flow technologies. Our commitment to effective ballast water treatment fits well with our ambitions to reduce environmental impact of our customers. We also focus on reducing energy consumption on board ships, both for ballast water treatment and other applications.
PureBallast systems have been installed on more than 100 vessels to date. Lessons we have learned at sea in cooperation with shipyards and ship owners have given us valuable insights. We have worked with all types of vessels and we have listened carefully to expectations from our customers.
Of course, we made improvements to PureBallast along the way, and we could go on making small enhancements. But we couldn't help asking ourselves, with all this experience and all this knowledge, what if we could do even more? What if we could take PureBallast and completely redefine it, from energy use to size to capacity?
By introducing PureBallast 3.0, we have saved up to 60% of the power consumption or the energy used. The maximum power has been reduced by 30%. We have also introduced a dimming function, which means that we can lower the power consumption even more. The space savings are up to 50% of the previous version, and having this, we have introduced less components with smaller footprint. Also, less components with smaller footprint means that the installation will be more flexible and it will be easier to install the PureBallast 3.0. Alfa Laval is a global backing company. We are present all over the world. We are pioneers in ballast water and we have an extensive reference list. The PureBallast 3.0 has an improved design. Instead of numbering up the number of reactors, we have introduced several sizes instead. We have a new design of the lamp drive cabinet, and we have also separated the lamp drive cabinet from the reactor to make the installation easier. The power consumption can be lowered all the way to 50% of the maximum. This means that we have 100 kilowatts for the 1,000 cubic meter reactor, and it can be lowered all the way down to 52. The same goes with the 300. It's 32 at maximum and all the way down to 17. By optimizing the flow through the reactor, we have achieved lots of things. That means also that we can lower the power consumption. We have done this by creating turbulence inside, and we have controlled the internal distances inside the reactor. We have also introduced an adjustable UV, which means that we have introduced a dimming function where we actually measure the UV intensity. The footprint previously was quite high due to the fact that we were numbering up reactors. This time, with several sizes, we have lowered the footprint by 50%, for example, for a 1,000 cubic meter reactor. The installation is flexible. It's only one AOT for 1,000 cubic meter system. It's one lamp drive cabinet, and the lamp drive cabinet can be placed up to 150 meters away from the reactor itself. We have more than 400 systems sold. We have commissioned and installed more than 100 in more than 17 countries today on basically all types of vessels. These are pictures from the installation on board our partner Wallenius Turandot, where we have installed the 1,000 cubic meter system for onboard testing for the IMO type approval. As you can see, the space is very limited. The lamp drive cabinet, the AOT reactor previously. This is a picture of changing the glass, which is an operation of about 1 minute. As you can see, it's very crowded in the pump room, but still we managed to install the system. Thank you very much.